As a professional contractor, I rely on my tools every day, and I know the difference between having a good tool and a great tool can make or break a job. The team at Lowe's knows that too, so they asked me to test some of the newest and best products the only way you can, on the job. I'm Wes, and this is the Lowe's Pro Brand Challenge. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm always looking to get a little bit more life and power out of my cordless tool batteries without adding extra weight or space to my tool bag. Well, today, DEWALT has stepped up to the challenge with their new POWERSTACK Battery. Now, I've asked Pedro and Sean to this 500,000 square foot renovation project to help me test them out with 3 unique challenges. We'll be putting the POWERSTACK up against the standard 20-volt max.
Hey Wes, thank you for inviting me today. I am a contractor. We are focused on bathroom renovations and flooring.
I've been doing residential renovations for the past 15 years.
All right, great. Well, let's get started. This first challenge, you're going to be drilling 7/8" holes in these studs behind me. And DEWALT claims that more power translates into faster drilling. And so for this race, you're going to be drilling 50 holes, and we're going to see how these batteries stack up.
Okay.
Sounds like it's losing a little power. And
That's it.
got it. 2 minutes, 53 seconds, drilled 50 holes. You ready to try the POWERSTACK?
Absolutely.
Here we go. POWERSTACK. 10 holes in 25 seconds. Look at that. Last one, here we go. Done. Yeah. Quicker than the standard.
I just felt like I had more torque and lighter to deal with.
I think the POWERSTACK takes this challenge.
I agree.
So this brings us to our next challenge. We're going to be cutting 3/4" double stack OSB. Let's see how many complete crosscuts we can get and how quickly before the battery dies. Okay, Pedro. Sounds like it's getting a little low. That's it.
That's it.
7.5 cuts with the standard 20-volt max. So let's see how the POWERSTACK does.
All right, let's try.
Okay, Pedro, you've already beaten your last record with the standard. Keep going. Come on. Oh, okay. You did it. The DEWALT POWERSTACK simply had more cuts per charge.
I think that battery's a lot better.
I like this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my old tools.
Okay, so I've got one final challenge for us. POWERSTACK versus the standard 20-volt max with impact drivers. We're going to be driving 30 8" screws into double stack 4x6 posts. First 2 challenges, you guys had the chance to use both batteries. Now, I'm gonna put you guys head to head, and we're gonna draw screws to see who gets the POWERSTACK. Looks like Sean gets the POWERSTACK. Pedro, the standard 20-volt.
Good luck.
On your mark, get set, drill. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay, time. You guys drove in an equal amount of screws. Sean, you did it a minute faster. Well, that's a wrap, fellas. I'm pretty impressed. The DEWALT POWERSTACK really did step up to the challenge. And so Pedro, Sean, man, thank you guys so much for helping me out today. And be sure to check out the Lowe's Pros exclusives in store, and we'll see you next time in the Lowe's Pro Brand Challenge.